Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here doing an unboxing for my new Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Okay, now the reason why I got this new camera is because my old Garmin Dash Cam, we accidentally dropped it, which is not related to Garmin's fault at all, but got this new one, so hopefully it should be good. It's going to be a lot smaller. Okay, so the good thing is you're not going to notice it in your car as much. Okay, so pull this thing open and then you can pull it up, open like that. Okay, so what do we have? USB cable. Interesting. Another USB cable. Yes, so they actually gave you two cables. They gave you two cables. One's shorter, one's longer. Very interesting. Wonder why they did that. Car charger. So that's most of the box. Most of the box is the charging stuff. There's the holder. Okay, just dropped out. Oh, there it is. Dash cam. Dash cam. Very good. Look at how simple it is. Okay, look what we have here. We have a button here. Seems to be a sort of a microphone type picture, is it? Microphone picture, an SD card reader, SD card, put it in. The screen, or whatever you call it. And then obviously at the top, this is where you peel this off and stick onto the car. Very good. Garmin. Okay, and there's another button here. It looks like the save button. Save, but most people wouldn't know what the symbol is now. It's a floppy disk, people. That's a floppy disk. Okay, so SD card. Oh, I think I accidentally touched that. So it's probably going to be a bit dirty now. Okay, let's start with wiping. Make it a bit cleaner. Make sure it's dry. Alright, you want this to be facing out, obviously. Alright, so let's peel this off. Peel it off. Okay, and stick it on. Stick it on. Press it onto the window. Yeah, that's all. And then we can bring this forward a bit. Push it down a bit. Okay. It's on. Cable. Just plug it in. I'm going to try plug it in on this side. Just push it in. Plug this into my car. Alright, and then plug the USB cable in. The cable's just running down from here to here. Not the best, but it'll have to do for now. Okay, so let's turn the car on and see if it works. Alright, green light. Green light. Now we'll try and see whether this is actually recording later on. But there's the green light. Okay, red light. I'm assuming that means it's recording. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.